Yo, Raz here. Today we'll be looking at percentages. So this is the introductory lesson. So start from the beginning. What is a percent? Hey, what is a percent? Well, the origin of the word is French and it means per percent, which is per hundred, i.e. out of 100. And that is the meaning of percent. And you can see if we take the digits from 100 and rearrange them, what do we get? We get the percent sign. That ain't a coincidence. So first question, we want to find out 1% of 200. So 200%, 200 liters would be 100%. So everything is 100%. And we just want to know 1%. So what we're going to divide by? Exactly 100. So if 100% is 200 liters, then 1% must be 2 liters. Job done. Next one. Oh, I've lost the grouping on that. Forgive me. Got over there. So 50% of 1200 grams. Well, if 100% is 1200 grams, then 50% is half of that. We just need to half 1200 and we get 600 grams. Yeah. Next one. 10%. All right. If 100% is 95, how many 10s go into 100? You got it. 10. So 10% is gained by dividing 100% by 10. And 95 pounds divided by 10 is £9.50, which will be the answer. So the next few will have to mix, we'll have to break down the 100% a couple of ways. So 45% of 820. Well, we know what 100% is. By half that, I'll get 50%. And if I divide 50% by 10%, I'll get 5%. Yeah, by simply dividing this by 10 and this by 10, that gives us our 5%. Well, what will 50% take away 5% be? Exactly, 45%. So I have to do 410, which was 50%, minus 41, which was 5%, and I'll get the answer. So borrow from there, we get a 9. Borrow from there, we get a 6. So 369 is 45% of 820. Do a couple more. 21% I've got next. So again, we know 100% is 160. If I divide that by 10, I'll get 10%, which will be 16. Divide 10% by 10, I'll get 1%, which will be £1.60. If I double 10%, I get That's it, 20%. And which of those will combine to give me 21? Hopefully you've spotted this and this. Yeah, so 20% plus 1%. 1% was £1.60 equals 21%. So 0.633. Job done. There's the answer. So 21% of £160 is £33.60. Last one. 36% of 2,500. So what we have is 100% equals 2,500. Let's get 10%. So that'll be 250, and 1% will be 25. By half 10%, I'll get 5%. So we want 36%. And I hope you realize that is 30 plus 5 plus 1. So I've got the 5, I've got the 1, we need the 30. What can I times 10 by to get 30? That's right, 3. Well, times by 3, times by 3, and we get 750. So to get 36%, we need this one, and this one. So we have 750 plus 125 plus 25, which was 30%, 5%, 1%. So 0, 5, and 5 is 10. Carry the 1. Carried it in the wrong place. Let's carry it in the correct place. 5, 2, and 2 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. 7, 1, and 1 is 9. There you go. So 36% of 2,500 is 900. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. See you again soon for the next percentages video.